To connect Wise to Upwork, you need to follow a series of steps that will allow you to receive payments from Upwork directly into your Wise account. First, you need to have a Wise account and an Upwork account. If you don't have these accounts, create them by following the sign-up process on the respective websites. Once you have both accounts, log into your Upwork account and navigate to the Settings menu, where you can find the Payment Methods option. Click on this option to view the available payment methods, and then click on Add Payment Method. You will see a list of available payment methods, including Wise. Select Wise as your payment method and you will be prompted to enter your Wise account details. You will need to enter your Wise account number and routing number, which can be found in your Wise account settings. After entering your Wise account details, click Continue and you will be redirected to the Wise website to authenticate the connection. Log into your Wise account and authorize the connection to Upwork. Once the connection is authorized, you will be redirected back to the Upwork website, where you can confirm that the connection was successful. It is essential to ensure that your Wise account details are correct and match the details you entered in Upwork. If the details do not match, the connection will not be successful, and you will not be able to receive payments from Upwork. Additionally, make sure that your Wise account is set up to receive payments in the same currency that you are earning on Upwork. If your Wise account is not set up to receive payments in the correct currency, you may incur additional fees or exchange rate losses. By following these steps, you can connect your Wise account to Upwork and start receiving payments directly into your Wise account. This will save you time and money, and provide a convenient and secure way to manage your freelance earnings.